今天是我参加 Perfect English 英语口语培训的第49天，现在是第7课 Lesson 7的第7天的朗读，也是最后一遍朗读记录。我们学习英语其实不是去学，也不是去教，其实更多的更本质的就是一种训练 training practice。 我就是参加这个 Perfect English 培训第49天，令我体会最深的一种学习方式，就是 practice and training。 好我们现在来朗读，看一下，对比一下跟以前读的有没有进步。 One April afternoon, two advertising execs was having coffee outside. A beggar was sitting on the sidewalk nearby with a nearly empty cup and a piece of cardboard that said, "I am blind." One of the execs said to his friend, "I will bet I can add 4 words to his sign and dramatically increase the amount of money he gets." His friend took him up on the bet. He walked over to the beggar, spoke a minute, and wrote 4 words. Within minutes, the sound of coins, then a dollar bill. Soon more bills. What did the man add to the cardboard? Exec's sprint time. End.